Every night, Luna curls at your feet, not beside you, not on your chest, but your feet. Why? In ancient Europe, dogs guarded their humans during sleep. The foot of the bed, the perfect vantage point. Today, that instinct still lives on. But it's more than protection. It's emotional proximity. Your feet carry your scent, the strongest memory trigger. To Luna, that scent means safety. When she sleeps near your feet, she feels grounded. It's her way of saying, "I'm here. I've got you." In Nordic folklore, dogs were soul guardians. They watched over dreams. They warded off spirits. Your dog senses your stress, even in sleep. Her presence regulates your heartbeat, and yours regulates hers. This is co-regulation, a biological bond. Studies show dogs sleep better near their humans. They enter REM faster. They dream deeper. You're her emotional anchor, and she's yours. In Germany, dogs are called Treue Begleiter, loyal companions. Loyalty isn't taught, it's felt. It's in every paw step, every sigh, every nuzzle. She doesn't need to be near your face, she just needs to be near your presence. The foot of the bed is enough. It's her post, her peace, her ritual of love. So next time you feel a warm weight at your feet, smile. You're being protected, watched over, loved in the most ancient way. Subscribe to PawStory Studio, where science meets love.